Hey guys, it's Patrick Thompson here from Ettractive. I'm the business development lead for our research and development center here in Windsor, Ontario. Ettractive is a flexible engineering resource focused on the development and deployment of electric and autonomous vehicles. So Ettractive is focused on the development and deployment of commercial electric vehicles. We've worked on various transit buses in our experience as a team. Anything from Class 4 to Class 8 applications. We also focus on the mining industry, and on top of that we're getting into the marine applications as well for electric outboards and electric boating. Announcing our partnership at Oro Station. We're going to be having a commercial space over at Oro Station, the new raceway going up in Barrie. We're going to be focused on high-end conversions of sports cars. We're also going to be helping the development of all Formula E racing teams while we can over at Oro Station for the duration of the 22 season. Should you be looking to electrify an entire fleet of vehicles, Ettractive can assist you from the design and implementation phase all the way through production, any QC steps or gateways. Additionally, we can help support the all low-level production of any autonomous or electric vehicles. We specifically are currently focused on the commercial market, anything from assisting the bespoke design of a battery pack. We can assist you in any retrofits, any retro mods of current traditional gas or gaseous vehicles into either electric or hydrogen powered cars. So the return on investment from buying your typical gas or diesel powered van, traditionally lasts around 10 years, whereas if you purchase or retrofit an electric vehicle, the return on investment happens after little as 5 years, depending on your usage and mileage. The displays on the market are astronomically expensive because of the volume that electric vehicle manufacturers are ordering right now. They can't order, 5 million of these. They can only order so many. So if we can build a lower cost model that will allow for, small electric vehicle startups to put kind of our UX UI display in there, then it will not only open up the market for us to sell a product, but it will actually allow them to build fully customizable UX UI displays. So we're gonna build this whole interface, and basically the way that it will work is it will say like 13 minutes to charge. So we can put it in a demo mode in which it's plugged in to charge, and it will say 13 minutes to charge, 80% charged, right on the gear display, rather than opening another screen on your full display. It'll say it right on your heads-up display. So one of the reasons that we opened in Windsor is because of the employee loyalty. So anybody in Windsor that you talk to, has a story about how they've stayed at a company for 5, 10, 20 years. Where we're kind of moving into a gig economy, it really speaks volumes of the area. So not only are we getting high quality talent, we're able to keep any tech talent or automotive talent in Windsor rather than across the border or having to commute up to Toronto. We really think that there's a lot of value being in Windsor, not only from a supply chain standpoint, being in automotive for so long, but we're able to kind of hone in on all that technology, all that talent and employer loyalty, keep jobs in Windsor, and hopefully be able to expand and take some of those guys who are commuting across the border back to home. Kind of why we opened here was we were getting tired of crossing the border. If you want a job in automotive tech, you do typically have to look elsewhere. Windsor right now is kind of a manufacturing area where we want to get out of the automotive manufacturing and into an automobility sector. So I guess the difference in that is the change in technology. So in order to stay relevant as an area for people looking to move here and looking for work, ideally we want to move into an automobility sector that encapsulates technology, automotive, logistics, supply chain, and be able to kind of facilitate all that out of our area. Specifically, we're focused on electric commercial vehicles. So for somebody to go out and want to develop software around commercial electric vehicles, it is pretty niche, and there might not be that many people with experience. So the key for us is being a flexible engineering resource. We say flexible because if you do hand us a project and you want your team to come out of that project with more knowledge than just handing over a scope of work, not knowing what's going to happen behind the scenes, and then getting a final deliverable. We actually offer a program where we will train your employees along the process, so that at the end of our project, not only are we giving you a deliverable of the final piece of software, but your staff also has now grown in value to the company, because they now understand all the processes that you need in order to get these deliverables out there. So I guess training your staff into the electric vehicle market is pretty compelling. Also, being Canadian, we're able to be really, really competitive in price for anybody, whether it be Europe, China, or the United States. We have years and years of expertise on our team, specifically around software development or cybersecurity, and just kind of having that resource to train your staff without having to, totally farm out all of the development is pretty neat. Ettractive is actually currently looking to expand their team. We are searching for anybody passionate about electric vehicles, whether you're an engineer, whether you're a technician, or looking for a position in the office. We are currently and actively hiring, so please feel free to visit our website, reach out to me directly, or even apply through Indeed. We are accepting all resumes and holding applications and interviews as we go about our journey here.